Hello everyone, welcome to our quick tutorial on connecting to AWS using C Sharp and AWS CLI in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure that you have the following things. An AWS account, Visual Studio is installed, AWS CLI is installed and configured, and AWS SDK for .NET is installed. We have created an Amazon S3 bucket and added two objects here. A text file named text1.txt and an image file named image.jpg. Now we are at a critical part of this tutorial, configuring the AWS CLI. This is a single point where you can add or modify your credentials. The AWS configure CLI command will prompt you to enter your AWS credentials, including your access key ID, secret key, default region, and output format. This command sets up the AWS CLI with the necessary settings to interact with the AWS services effectively. So for demonstration purpose, I'll be using test values. Please make sure to enter your actual credentials when setting up your environment. We need to create a Visual Studio project with a name AWS connection with CLI. We need to install the AWS SDK.core and .s3. So first we are searching for AWS SDK and you got package manager and it is installing. Now searching for S3. So now the latest stable version has been installed. Now you can see both the things are referenced here. We need to have a key for S3 bucket name in the app settings of app.config file so that it will be dynamically fetches the S3 details. So as a next step, we are going to create an S3 client which is instantiates an Amazon S3 client to interact with the S3 services in a specific region. So next step, we are going to create a request object. This prepares a request of list of objects in the specific S3 bucket. So next step, we are going to send the request and get the responses. So based on the request, we are going to send that thing. And from the values that we got fetched, we are going to iterate through the objects. And you can see that console.writeline S3 objects, that object.key is whatever the object keys are present in that S3 object, it will be printed. Console.readline to stay in the console application itself. Let's run this application. Let's see. You can now see the output showing the two files retrieved from AWS S3, that is text1.txt and image1.jpg. So we have demonstrated how quickly and how efficiently we can connect to AWS resources using C Sharp. All the code examples are available at oneananda.com or on GitHub at github.com/oneananda. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you.